does the outdoors mean to you? To us, it's more than just mountains and valleys, but a place where you can disconnect to truly reconnect with yourself. A place filled with vast landscapes and untouched beauty, inviting you to explore. Or for you to relax and recharge in. Far removed from life's everyday problems and comforts, the outdoors challenges you, pushing your limits. But what if you could bring a piece of home along on your adventures? Introducing the Nano by OutIn, a lightweight portable espresso maker that blurs the line between the freedom of the outdoors and the comfort of your home. So whether you're scaling a mountain or chasing the next sunset, you can enjoy fresh espresso anytime, anywhere.